Tea lovers around the world celebrate the rich flavors and varied health benefits of different teas. Among the many types available, matcha and yerba mate stand out for their unique properties and cultural significance. This video looks at the differences between these two teas, examining their origins, preparation methods, flavor profiles, and health benefits, concluding with a short analysis of which might be the healthier choice. I'm going to try not to make it a super long video and give you a quick synopsis right at the end. I'm Nick with the Health Report. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe to my channel. So matcha is a finely ground powder made from specially grown and processed green tea leaves and is a staple in Japanese culture. It actually originated in China during the Tang Dynasty, but became an integral part of Japanese tea ceremonies in the 12th century, having to do with the Zen philosophy. Yerba mate, on the other hand, is made from the leaves of a specific Ilis paragenesis plant native to South America, particularly Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. It is traditionally consumed from a container called a gourd and sipped through a metal straw that filters out the leaf fragments. Yerba mate has been a social beverage, with its consumption rooted in communal rituals among indigenous groups. So preparation and flavor. Matcha preparation is a form of art. The leaves are shade grown to increase chlorophyll levels and amino acids before being finely ground. During preparation, matcha powder is whisked with hot water until frothy, creating a beverage that is rich, creamy, and slightly sweet or umami in flavor. Yerba mate is less complex to prepare. The dried chopped leaves are steeped in hot water, not boiling, to avoid bitterness. The flavor of yerba mate can be strong and herbal, sometimes described as an acquired taste, with a robust earthiness and slightly bitter finish. How about nutritional content and health benefits? Matcha is renowned for its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins like EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which offer anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and possibly anti-cancer properties. Matcha also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that can enhance calm and focus, making it popular among those seeking a boost in mental clarity without the jitters often associated with drinking coffee or caffeine. Yerba mate boasts an impressive nutritional profile too. It contains xanthines like caffeine and theobromine, which are stimulants known to enhance energy, mood, and focus. Yerba mate also provides antioxidants such as polyphenols and saponins, which have anti-inflammatory and even cholesterol-lowering effects. So you can't go wrong with either one of these, but which one is considered healthier? Determining which tea is healthier depends on individual health goals and preferences. Matcha might be more suitable for those looking for high levels of antioxidants, particularly the EGCG, and a calming mental effect due to its L-theanine content. It's also excellent for those who prefer a smoother, more soothing flavor profile. Yerba mate could be the better option for those seeking a metabolic boost, as it not only contains the caffeine but also has theobromine, which offers a unique, mild stimulant effect without the harshness of drinking pure caffeine espresso. It might also appeal to those looking for a robust, energizing drink that can replace coffee. Ultimately, both teas offer significant health benefits, as you've seen in this video, and the choice between them might boil down to flavor preference and desired effects. Of course, for maximum health benefits, it is recommended to consume these teas as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. That concludes the yerba mate and matcha, which is healthier video. Now there's a tea that I want to tell you about, and I have the link below, that you want to never drink this type of tea. And I want you to try to guess. Latest studies show there's a certain type of tea that actually makes you gain weight. Can you guess which one it is? Black, green, matcha, or chamomile? I bet you're not going to guess matcha because of what I just said in this video. When you have your answer, click the link below to see if you guess correctly. The answer may surprise you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one.